name is Jennifer. In this series, I'm going to teach you to play some violin tunes. Each tune will come with a tutorial video and a play-along video. So after watching this, make sure you click on the play-along video to have some fun. I hope you get to work on playing your instrument during this time. Therefore, I call this series Quarantunes. The tune we are learning today is a simplified version of BBC TV series Sherlock. This has been a long-time request of my student Kate at El Sistema Somerville. I want to give a special shout out to my student at El Sistema Somerville. I miss you all very much. And then we basically just play it twice. The first thing I want to tackle is this T rhythm that we play with an oboe slur bow, and it crosses two strings. This happens 3 times in this song. They are all in the beginning of the musical phrase. This is the first phrase, second, and the third one. So we're going to do them on the open string, so you don't need to worry about your left fingers. When we're doing this, you want to move your elbow smoothly, like you are scooping ice cream, very smoothly without a big gesture, because it's just string that next to each other. So the first one, do, so, it's on the G string. Since the second note has a staccato, so we want to lift up your bow. And on the rest, we are going to let the bow and then do another oboe. Let's put our third finger down. Since these 2 notes are a fifth, do, so, do, re, mi, fa, so, it's a fifth. So you want to put your fingers on 2 strings at a time. If you put them separately, inevitably you will have a time that you are lifting up your finger is not on either string, and that's very possible to cause a noise. So we want to place your finger on 2 strings at a time. And you can change the angle of your elbow. So when it's on G string, you have an angle, while on D string, you change your angle a little bit so the sound can be better. And then let the bow, another oboe. Let's try for the second phrase, which is fa, do, do. So let's do D, A string since they are played on this 2 string. Scoop the ice cream, and then let the bow, oboe. Let's put the second finger down, low second, so make sure it's good friend with the first finger. The third phrase starts with E string, so, do, do. Let's do E, A, A. Now let's put our second finger down, low second. I think when I'm placing my finger on E and A string at the same time, the angle is a lot smaller, so I don't need to move my elbow at all. Now let me try from the first one and the second one to the third one. Now an alternative bowing for you is just to do down, up, up. And you don't necessarily need to lift up your bow for the second notes. It sounds like this. Now we are going to learn all the notes that made up this song. So they are C, C, D, B, B, C, C, D, D, E flat, E flat, F, F, G, G. You'll see the purple lines that are the first finger tape, high second finger tape, and third finger tape, which we normally give the beginner student in L system. Now I use the green color to mark the fingers that stick together. Let's play these notes together. Starting from G string, third finger, C. Open D. Low 1, E flat. Low 2, F. Now we're going to stretch our second finger, high second. Third finger, G, stick together. A flat, fourth finger, stick together. Notice how low my thumb is. Some people has longer thumb, so it might show up a little bit. For my finger, it's a lot shorter, so I'm just using my thumb to support the neck of my violin. First finger, B. Stick together, second finger, C. Third finger on the third finger tape. E flat, stick together. Low 1, F natural. Second finger, low second, G. In this song, we also have some notes that's on the second position. These notes are C, D, E flat, and then F, F on the A string, which is the same note as the first finger on E string. Let's try to find the C on A string. So at first position, you are using second finger for the C. Now we're going to move the whole arm to the second position, which your first finger will be on C. Second finger on D. Third finger stick together, E flat. Fourth finger on F. These fingers are important to play the fourth phrase. Now we're going to play the scale. Let's play it together. Notes on the second position. Okay, now I think we're very ready for the first phrase. We start with third finger on 2 string. High second. Low 2. So in this phrase, you need to move your second finger, starting from high second and then to low second. I move my second finger from high second to low second on this G. Third finger on 2 string together. During this G, I move my second finger back to low second. The second phrase, starting with low second on 2 string, on the D and A at the same time. Make sure your fourth finger is low enough. The third phrase, starting from E string. Remember to use your elbow to bring you to the A string. Now use the wrist to switch to second position. Back to first position. Remember when you are doing the shift, don't use just your finger to jump, otherwise you'll have a stick out wrist. We don't want to see your wrist stick out like this because that will cause some tension. When we shift from first position to second position, you want to use the arm instead of your finger. I have an exercise for you to practice this shift. Starting from first finger, and then look at where your second finger is. Use your first finger to replace the second finger. So move your whole arm to second position. And then back to first position again. Now place your second finger down. One. Shift. Shift back to first position. So the fourth phrase starting on the second position. And then shift back to first position, second finger down. Now on the third string, A flat. Let's play from third phrase and then shift, then to fourth phrase together. Now I'm going to play the full song, and after each phrase I'll give you some times that you can play and copy it. Sounds good. Second phrase. That was good. Your turn. Good. Now let's shift to second position. Also retake your bow for down bow. Now let's play the full song together. video I'm playing this tune with a little bit faster tempo, but I'm sure you can get to that tempo after practicing with this tempo first. If you have any question, you are welcome to comment in this video so I will know how to further help you. I hope you all stay healthy and have fun playing your instrument during this time. Bye bye!